Broccoli is high in many nutrients. Consuming vegetables such as broccoli often and consistently is part of a healthy eating pattern. Broccoli contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Eating a variety of vegetables can lower your risk of heart disease. Yes, there are many benefits to consuming broccoli. Broccoli is nutrient-dense. It is relatively low in calories, high in fiber, contains plant protein and other important nutrients. Broccoli's highlights include vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, folate, potassium, manganese, and vitamin K. Additionally, broccoli contains phytonutrients that provide added benefits beyond nutritional value. These compounds are responsible for broccoli's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Broccoli is a very healthy food. It's an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and vitamin K, amongst others. It's a great source of dietary fiber, which helps to keep you full, lower cholesterol, and regulate blood sugar levels. Broccoli is very low in calories, with 1 cup providing only 30 calories. If you have no issues, such as vitamin K restriction if you take blood thinners, I definitely recommend including broccoli in your diet regularly as a part of your vegetable intake. Broccoli is one of the best vegetables for us. It is a good source of minerals, such as magnesium. This cruciferous is also beneficial to keep adequate blood pressure and optimize detoxification. Its high content of vitamins A, B, C, E, and K strengthens the immune system, improves vision, and prevents vascular diseases. Broccoli also has enough fiber to prevent colon disease. That's why it shouldn't be missing from our weekly menu. It's definitely an example of healthy food.